To highlight blank cells in Excel, you can use the conditional formatting feature. First, select the range of cells where you want to highlight the blank cells. Then, go to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon, click on Conditional Formatting, and select New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the Formula field, type Formula. Then, click on the Format button and choose the formatting style you want to apply to the blank cells. Click OK to close the formatting dialog box, and then OK again to close the New Formatting Rule dialog box. You should now see the blank cells highlighted in the selected range. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted blank cells in your Excel worksheet. This can be a great time saver when working with large datasets, as it allows you to quickly spot empty cells and fill them in as needed. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out the playlist in the description below to learn more about Excel. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks.